Hey guys, welcome back to Finished RC. So in this episode, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Halsey RC10 from Team Associated. This is the kind of like the race-winning 1985 Homage car. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we got. All right. So we've already did some RC10s. If you want to go back and check them out on the channel, we did the kind of a classic version that from the original 1984, and then we did the reissue right here. Also, we did the clear one as well. You can go back, I believe maybe 4 or 5 videos ago. We've done those, maybe a little bit longer, but what a blast. We still got the RC10T to do. So we got to work on that one in the future. But let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Just arrived today, so I figured I'd go ahead and pop this bad boy open. All right. I'll show you the box in a sec. How cool is this? It'll also give you the, there's the image of the trophy. Very cool. Let's go inside. We got bag H right here. Looks like the batteries stay. Some arms. Bag B. I'll go through all these in a second. This is bag G. Transmission. Ball cups. Bag F. Bag E. Bag D, D bag, that is the rear bulkhead. Some more parts, bag G, shocks, and what else is in here? Springs, oil. What weight is that? 30 weight. Servo mounts, that's bag I believe I, yeah. Oh, here we go. These are the wheels. I'm gonna just rip that thing up. All right, so I wanted to see this. This is JG bag. There's the dark wheels, or the black wheels and tires. Guard, more tires. What is this here? These are bolts. I popped out of that bag for some reason. Bag A. All right, and then tools. There's the body. There's the chassis. Wing mount. There's our book. I'll go through all that in a second. I want to kind of look at this. So you can turn this into a stand, just like the classic. So cool. There's more images right here. So neat. All right. So what I want to do is show a little bit of a difference. I've seen this car already on YouTube already, and it looks like it's a little bit of a different chassis. This one does have Jam & J written in it, but here is the classic we've done, and I noticed something. This is really shiny, and Halsey's is not. See? Pretty interesting. So there is some differences there as well. And then looks like the front guard is different colors and a different texture. See? Huh. And so is the rear motor mount. So more of a satin chassis. That's pretty cool though. Alrighty, and then this one does not come with ball bearings, I don't believe. Let me open this bag up. Alright, this is our booklet. And here's our book. It's nice to have a real book. That way you don't have to do any digital downloads or nothing. So that's cool. I like that image. You get a little card. You get the window masks, some winglets, some decals, stickers that have JG on them. That's for the front guard. I imagine a lot of people on eBay who are buying for profit probably will sell these pieces separate and probably ask an arm and a leg for it. Just the front wheels and tires. And probably will get it. Now it's going to be tricky to do the body up because it's decaled in certain areas where a large area, I guess, it shows you here. You have to lay this decal on there. So you're probably going to have to use a heat gun of some sort in order for that sticker to lay down properly onto the body. So we'll see. I'm definitely going to do it just like they want me to do. I'm not going to paint the body in different colors. I'm going to just do the one metallic blue and then lay that on there and see what happens. Fingers crossed on the next video. So there's some cool stickers for the motor. So you can add it to add a decal to the motor. So that's pretty much it. And not a whole lot of in here. But I don't see any ball bearings. So it looks like bushings. So I got ball bearing kit coming from what I watched on YouTube already from some. So that's pretty much it. There's that bumper actually in there, the JG bumpers in here with the motor, with the battery stay. So it's in the battery stay bag H. So that's pretty cool from JG. And that's pretty much it. I just want to kind of give you guys a breakdown of what to expect for yours. And it won't be too long before we get this one built up. If you can, please hit a like, comment, and we'd love it for you guys to subscribe. You're not going to want to miss what's coming up. Bye, y'all.